Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Easter Sunday, so happy Easter everybody. And got a little problem. Got a couple hours to hopefully get rid of some of the problem. But as you can tell, it's hard to get anything done in here because this shop is a complete mess. And I keep moving more tools in here and just shoving them anywhere. So hopefully today we're going to relieve a little bit of that mess. And not going to be the most interesting video, but hopefully it'll be satisfying to some of those OCD people out there. And I know it's going to help me as I try to, do more projects in here and be more efficient. And yeah, and plus, yeah, it's driving me a little nuts too. So yeah, shop cleanup. We're gonna time lapse here for a little bit, and then I'll probably come in and kind of explain some of my thoughts of what's gonna happen and go over some upcoming videos. Well, shoot, if you saw the last video, Jack and I worked on this table, and we welded up, repaired it, one of the casters, and you can see, not gonna spoil it, but one of our future videos is sitting right on top of the table. So this is gonna be a good workstation for us. It's at a better height for Jack, and it's at a perfect height for a new tool that I've purchased. But yeah, you'll have to stick around if you wanna see what happens with that. That being said, in order for this to be a workstation, it needs to be clear. So it's not clear right now. In fact, not a single surface in the shop is clear. We got tools on the table saw, tools on the chop saw station, counters are completely covered, tools and wood. We got transmissions on the welding table. Yeah, so as you can see, this place is a mess. So let's see what we can do about that. So thanks for watching, and stick around. Let's see what, I've got a deadline of 2.5 hours. So let's see what I can get done in 2.5 hours. So here we go. All right guys, well, it's like 2 hours later, and you could have seen what I had done if my phone had decided to record, but unfortunately my time lapse did not work. So made some progress, got some counter space, got an idea of how things are gonna work, and there's a couple things that I don't know how are gonna work. Planer, router, these are just kind of mobile right now. But one thing that is definitely not gonna work that I'm gonna fix today is I've got this metal chop saw right here. And first off, I just don't like the idea of cutting metal next to the table saw, sawdust and hot metal. So metal stuff's going that way. So although it's not wood related, I think this is a perfect spot for the parts cleaner. We're right next to the bathroom with the shop sink in it. So cleaning parts here, washing them off, rinsing them off in the bathroom, taking them to whatever we're doing with them makes sense to me. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move this to the front of the shop, and these two tools, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with. I don't know if I'll have a permanent home for the router sled or router table. There's a lot to do with it, but I don't know. Don't have a plan for that. Planer, this planer has its limitations, obviously. 12 inches, 13 inches maybe. I don't know, not sure there. So for right now, we're just gonna fix this problem, set these to the side, and figure that out later. So sorry you missed all the cleaning, but we're gonna do a little more organizing and go see what the family's up to. So again, happy Easter, and yeah, stick around. I got some exciting projects. The project table is kind of cleared off, except this is probably going to get installed tomorrow. Those are the bolts for it. That's a top secret project. And then this is a new project for Jack and I. Going to be our second epoxy pour. So yeah, stick around. Got some fun stuff coming up. All right, guys. I am happy with how today has turned out. That's going to be a good station there. I really didn't want sawdust around the air. It's an air cleaner slash oiler. And at some point, I do want to get an ultrasonic cleaner in here too. So, why the bathroom makes sense. That's a project that needs to be done. Waiting on others to finish up their stuff. Some lighting, definitely need to add lighting up here because this corner is kind of dark. And then need to do basically a landlord paint job and just spray some white paint and clean that all up. But that's all cosmetic. As far as layout goes, we got some room. Yeah, I still need to clean that off. Don't need a lawnmower in here. Anyway, getting distracted there. Yeah, a lot more room to work. Got 3 projects lined up right here. This table is going to undergo a little transformation here shortly. So, yeah, if you like what's going on, got a lot of work here behind me, and got a lot of work to come from this area. So, thanks for watching, guys. Happy Easter, and see you on the next one.